6 हायर नॉर्मल फॉर्म्स, ठीक है। MCS-207 का यूनिट 6 यहाँ पे क्या है, हायर नॉर्मल फॉर्म्स इंट्रोडक्शन। अर्लियर यू स्टडीड functional dependencies which are single valued dependencies. Using these we achieved 1NF 2NF 3BCF to reduce redundancy and avoid anomalies. But relational database may still have another type of dependencies that cause redundancy and update anomaly, insertion anomaly, deletion anomaly. So fourth form 4NF based on the multi-valued dependencies. Fifth based on the joint dependencies. Other normal forms exist, but they are mostly theoretical and rarely used in industry. So, multi-valued dependencies. Key points: single and multi-valued dependent attributes. Normally, an attribute stores a single value. An attribute can have multiple values. It's called multi-valued. Representing multi-valued attribute in the single table repeated rows. Primary key with multi-valued attribute. The primary key becomes composite. Combine the entities keys and the multi-valued attribute. If entity has more than one multi-valued attribute, duplication gets worse. Definition of MVV is the relation. फोर्थ नॉर्मल अच्छा यहाँ पे क्या है, एग्जाम्पल दिया है टपल्स, ठीक है। फोर्थ एनएफ का देखते हैं। डेफिनेशन ऑफ अ रिलेशनशिप आर इन फोर एनएफ if for every multi-valued dependencies the MVD is triple or X is candidate key or R. Joint dependencies. The JD is needed. Sometimes relations suffer redundancies and anomalies, insertion, update and deletion, but cannot be decomposed into just two relations without losing information. When does it happen? When a relation has three or more attributes that are completely independent of each other. फोर्थ का देख लेते हैं। पर्पस ऑफ 5NF deals with joint dependencies which are generalized of multi-valued dependencies. Ensure that a relation cannot be decomposed further without losing information. Defining a 5NF. Okay. Other normal forms and dependencies. Inclusion dependencies designed for constraints not covered by FD, MVD or joint dependencies. Typically applies to foreign key constraints, class, subclass, relationship. Definition: consider two relationships R1, R2. Let X in R1 reference to the Y in R2 is a foreign key. Okay. Template dependency represent generic constraints in template form structure. Hypothesis shows tuples that may exist. Domain key normal form DKNF. तो मेनली इसमें हम क्या पढ़े, हायर नॉर्मल फॉर्म्स, इंट्रोडक्शन हायर नॉर्मल फॉर्म्स, ठीक है। फोर्थ नॉर्मल फॉर्म्स और मल्टी वैल्यू डिपेंडेंसीज। फिफ्थ बेस्ड ऑन द जॉइंट डिपेंडेंसी, single and multi-values attributes. 4NF definition: relationship are in 4NF if every multi-valued dependency Then joint dependencies. By joint dependencies, sometimes relationships suffer redundancy and enemies, but cannot be decomposed into just two relationships without losing information. Fourth enough deals with joint dependency, which are generalized and multiple dependencies. Okay, ये स्ट्रक्चर क्वेरी लैंग्वेज क्या है देखते हैं.